All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time. I gotta get rid of the OEM battery. All right, let's go ahead and do this. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right to it. I have a new battery for the WRX. This is the Odyssey PC680 battery, and you're probably wondering, why do I have a small battery for my WRX? Well, there's a new product on the market, and oops, and it is right here. This is the brand new, actually this has been out for a while, battery box from Mele design firm. So the battery fits perfectly in this battery box, and I'm gonna go over some of the points of this battery box, and I'm telling you, this thing is awesome. If I can give this one word, it is quality. So with the battery box, this is a new startup company, Mele design firm out of Portland, Oregon. They do everything by hand, so everything is machine and hand formed. And each unit comes with its own unique serial number. As you can see, mine is 0026. Don't mind the noise, there's stuff in there, all the hardware. And you can get this in raw finish or black, or you can get these in custom colors, any color you pretty much want to, powder coated. So they are one of the first companies. Let me just say that this mount has been out for a while now. So they're the first company to offer a direct fit, no drill, lightweight battery mount for the VA chassis, which is a 15WX and STI chassis. So this sheds about 13.8 pounds off the front end of the car. As you know, the front or the OEM battery is really heavy in comparison to the PC680 battery. So this gives you a lot more real estate, especially if you are going with a front mount intercooler. And this does not get in the way of your flex fuel sensor. There's no interference whatsoever. So it's specifically designed for the PC680 battery. This thing is actually kind of heavy itself. This is a battery. Full disclosure, I already filmed this video, the actual install video, but Mitch preferred that you watch his install video, which should be out by the time this video is released, where he used high quality video, high quality audio. So yeah, he can probably do a much better job than I can on that part. So I'm gonna link the install video in the description below. So let's just get this installed and let's make sure everything fits. One thing I forgot to mention, this is a soft felt design, so it keeps the battery nicely snug. Really like that. It's a nice touch. Also, full disclosure, Mele design firm did provide their battery box to me for free to install and review. The Odyssey battery itself, I did purchase myself on Amazon. Also, the terminals need to be purchased separately also. Anyways, we're gonna get the OEM battery, which is on its way out of the car, and we're gonna install the new battery. So word of caution in regards to the battery. So if you have an airbag system or a very high powered stereo system, this may not be the battery for you. But if you're an audiophile, you probably already know that. All right guys, first step in the install process, we're gonna take out the OEM battery. So short video for you today. The Mele design firm battery box is fully installed. The only thing I gotta do now is go inside the car and redo my time and date settings. And if you have any settings on your access port, those will also be reset, such as your launch control and your no lift chipset settings. Looks like we got power. Yep. Definitely not 1/1/2013. Made it here to the spot and everything is driving just fine with the new battery. So one thing I forgot to mention about this battery is I do not recommend it if you live in temperatures well below freezing. Ooh, seagull. Ooh, it's cold. God. So don't forget to check out Mele Design Firm. The link to their website is down below in the description. Also, where I purchased the battery and terminals, I got that off of Amazon. Those links will be in the description below also. So anyways, happy with the battery. That is it, and I have another install for you coming to the future. If you saw my previous videos, you probably already know what that is. So anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the content today. Hope I earned your subscription. And I have another install video for you. If you saw my previous videos, you probably already know what that is. Anyways, once again, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace out.